Hi guys, welcome to my videos. For this video guys, I want to say thank you to our gifters, especially Sir Clarence, Sir Clarence, Sir Vincent, Sir Akor, Sir Matt, and Sir Mike, Sir Apex, Sir Cryptol, and Sir Olart, Sir Lopez, and Sir um, to everyone. I am sorry if I can't mention your name of this video, but I am so thankful guys it because you are there. Okay, and my name is Parkizen. I am 50 years old and I live in Korea for 27 years. Yes, so I am a single mother. I am a single mom, but my purpose to make this to make this charity, it because I want to help to my kababayan in the Philippines. It because I know how to live in there. Okay, so I am so thank you guys. It because I have you. I have you guys. And Sir Clarence said that Sir Clarence right it said that this charity is this for the charity. This is not a dating site. Okay, this is not a dating site. Okay, so I'm so sad it because I don't know what is this matter. I don't know what is the matter lately because the the moderators, I don't know guys what are you doing now. I don't know it because I put you or I request to uh or manager or who's in there to allow you guys to put in moderator. So I'll make you a moderator or managing moderator. It because, for example, I am busy, so I have you to protect them, to protect them, and to what is the moderator? Protect them, not making rumors or not making stress to them, not making a trouble while they live. So, what is the moderator or managing moderator? Okay, so I think this time or lately, like um it's not good, not healthy for the everyone. So please guys, please be nice. Okay, please be nice and please be matured, be so I am sad it because today I heard from the live streamer that some of the moderators make a rumors to them or make something. So I am sad. Okay, I am sad. Then if you not guys happy to my live streamer or my students in their life, I apologize you. Yeah. So I'm here in front of you. I'm talking to you that I want to uh, I am begging you that please while you do live, please don't make rumors. Okay, if you have a problem, just message or email to my email. I salute you guys. I salute you, Sir Matt, Sir Clarence, Sir, it because you help them. It because of you guys, they are live, live like us that they eat 3 times a day. They brought some food, rice, like that. So they going to school with your another financial support. So I am thankful. I am thankful it because I have you. Yes, and they have you, especially the their study financial. So I am so thankful it because you're there. So and about Sir Matt and Sir Clarence, Sir Vincent, Sir Olart, Sir Lopez, they're I think they're oh I'm sorry, Sir Ven. Sir Ven is, I think Sir Ven is he's supporting our channel. I think 3 to 5 or 6 years na. And of course, I salute you, Sir Ben, Sir Clarence, and Sir Matt, and of course, Sir Andrew Lawrence. So guys, please, I'm begging you, please don't make trouble while in their live. It because you guys, moderator, you need to protect them, not starting trouble or what. Okay? So, Sir Mike, Sir Matt, Sir Apex, Sir Cryptol, Sir Sir, everyone, I salute you guys. Thank you so much for being there to them. Thank you so much. I don't know what to you know I don't know what words to tell here to to things what you did. I saw and I'm so thankful to you guys. Okay, thank you so much, and good night and good luck and God bless you guys. Thank you. I put you again in the moderator because I am sorry because my sister she hurt, so she going to kick you out. So I put you again in being a moderator. I'm so sorry. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. Have a nice day.